What's up, guys? My name is Belchior Pinto. Welcome to this amazing training, and today we are going to talk about social media management tool, and we are going to use Hootsuite. And if you stay until the end of this video, I have a bonus for you guys. Stay tuned until the end of this video. Let's continue with this video. So first of all, you need to grab your link in the description below. Sign up. Let's go together. Let's say my name is Belchior. Let me say my name, Belchior Arcade, and I'm gonna use this email here. Password. Create a new password, something that you can remember easily. Create my account. Select your language if you want to change it to different language, because on Hootsuite you have more than 10 different languages. Now you need to select your credit cards. You have 25 euro per month, and then you have monthly. So I'm gonna skip this part, so I need to finish with my billing, and I don't want you to see my details. I filled the form with all my bank account information. So now you need, on the first place, you're gonna have to connect with your accounts, or you just can continue and then connect later. Let's connect right now with. So after you fill your billing information, and don't be afraid, because you have 30 days free trial, so you can use these 30 days to test the account. You never know if you don't try, so you need to try. You're gonna see that it's very effective, so you're gonna have more time to do anything else. Okay, let's first of all, we're gonna connect with our Instagram. You can use your LinkedIn, anything that you want. So we're gonna use, and to make sure that you can understand how to leverage every single aspect or every single account. Let's first connect with our Instagram. Let me say that I am going to connect with my, oh my god, okay, let me use this one. I believe that I have this account. No, okay, let me don't use this one. I'm gonna use this one. All right, I have this one. Let me connect. Good. And then you need to authorize. It's processing. Come on. All right, now you need to enable direct Instagram publishing. Why that? Because if you want really to be free, you need the account to post automatically, maybe per day, or you need to take 1 hour or 30 minutes just to see if everything is going as scheduled, or if something went wrong. Hootsuite gonna send you a message to say, hey, look, this message failed. You need to see what's happened. I recommend you to enable direct Instagram publishing. Why? Because it's very important. You want to be free. You don't want to be all the time on your computer, all the time on your phone, trying to see the notification and then publish yourself. Because, dude, you need to be free and invest your time doing other things. I'm not saying that will not be like look into your account. No, that's not the point. That's not the point, dude. I'm saying just do that and thank me later. I'm ready. We couldn't find your Instagram business profile. All right, this account is not. To connect with your business profile, you need to have your Facebook page connected with your Instagram account. Okay, otherwise it will not be possible to send direct post to your account. Just put that in mind. Now you can connect with different accounts. I have many accounts, so I just showed you this example. And then Twitter. All right, my Twitter. Oh, let me use my Twitter here. Remember me, sign in. Let's keep doing. Okay, I'm connecting with many accounts just to show you how to use. Okay, I believe that that's better. And let's also use Pinterest. Now remember, you can use only Instagram and Instagram only if you want it. Alright, so my Pinterest, I don't really remember my password because it was a long time that I created this account. Oh yeah. All right, it's connected. Now we have our Pinterest connected with this account, so we can continue to Hootsuite. We have 3 profiles. You can say now you can put your company name, put your company name, industry, let's say is agency, company size. We have more. All right, for number, well, for number that's another. Let me put some random number. Okay, this is not my number, by the way. Just hold on. And voila, now we have our brand new account that we can stream. We can make it beautiful. We can post several times per day. Later on we can talk a little bit more how to organize your streams on your home page. But first of all, let's say how to post, because it's more important than just organize your streams. New post, and then select your account, your social media accounts. If you want to, let me say I'm gonna use this one, and then all right, you can skip this tutorial, edit tutorial, and then put here, let me say how to manage your time, and then put the hashtags, save life. I have no idea if this hashtag exists. And if you also don't know which hashtag to use to different social media accounts, for Instagram you can check the link below, and I'm gonna use I'm gonna go through Instagram first, and then I'm gonna use different accounts so that you can see better how to use different hashtags, because hashtags is more about engagement. So about the engagement on your accounts and the engagement also on the hashtag. Otherwise you would just use different hashtags and not ranking. You need to rank on your hashtags. And then let me say love. I don't recommend that use love as hashtag. Okay, let me use any image that I have here. Let me say this one is mine. All right, and then let me schedule for later. Let me say I'm gonna schedule this for later. I'm gonna schedule this for 1 day from now, and then 10 a.m. Now remember, the time zone is very important as well. So because if you want to make your account coming with a lot of American people, it's more likely that you want to use your account to post at 9 a.m. right, like 9 a.m. So you need to change the time zone on the settings. So let's just finish this. Done, schedule, and it's done. All right, now if you want to change the time zone, you can see it on your right up corner, and then go to account and settings, and then you can see the preference English, right? And then you can go to notification. You can see anything that you want. If you want to change anything here that you want, let me say my account, and then professional. Okay, time zone. As you can see, the time zone, you need to change the time zone to if you have a local business, it's better to post on your local time zone. Now if you have an account that you want to increase more people from different countries, different places, you want to come more people from USA, I'm repeating, sorry, and you need to change your time zone. Let's say I'm gonna use USA. What's going on with that? It's not coming. USA. All right, now it's coming. Indiana. Let me say USA, Indiana, Indianapolis, right? And then save account info, and that's all. Now you can schedule for Twitter as well if you want it. So for now, that's it. I don't want to make this video go very long. Now your bonus, guys, grab the link in the description. I'm gonna give to you for free one marketing book. In this training, I'm gonna give away one book with the authorization to use the book, to resell the book, or to give for free with your marketing campaigns. And thank you again for watching. My name is Belchior Pinto, and I see you on the next video. Peace. Bye.